Did you know that the history of boats dates back to prehistoric times? This is a tale as old as time itself, tracing back to when early humans first learned to harness the power of the water. They discovered that certain objects like logs and reeds could float. From this simple observation, the idea of the boat was born. Our story begins with the first person who made a boat. Imagine, if you will, living in a time when the world was still so new and untamed. Life was not as we know it today. There were no cars, no planes, no trains. The only way to travel long distances was by foot or by water. Our protagonist, let's call him Og, was a prehistoric man living near a large body of water. Og was an observer, a thinker. He watched as logs floated on the water and wondered if he could use this to his advantage. He needed to cross the water to reach the other side, where food was more plentiful. But how could he do it? Og began by selecting the largest log he could find. He pushed it into the water and attempted to climb on. Alas, the log spun, and Og fell into the water. But Og was not deterred. He noticed that the log was more stable when he was near the center, and that it moved in the direction he pushed. This was Og's eureka moment. He realized that he could control the log's movement by shifting his weight and pushing against the water. Og had created the first rudimentary boat. This was a monumental leap forward in human innovation and mobility. But Og's journey didn't stop there. He experimented with different materials and designs, eventually developing a boat that was stable, durable, and efficient. This was the beginning of boat engineering, a discipline that has evolved over thousands of years into the sophisticated science we know today. From the simple log boat, we have advanced to the complex and mighty ships that traverse our oceans. These modern marvels of engineering are a testament to human ingenuity and our innate desire to explore, to conquer new frontiers. So the next time you see a ship sailing in the distance, take a moment to marvel at its journey. From a single log floating on the water to the complex designs we see today, the evolution of boats is a fascinating tale of human ingenuity and survival. But this brings us to an interesting question. What other marvels of engineering do you wonder about? What seemingly simple observations could lead to the next great leap in human innovation? The world is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. It all starts with a single question, a single idea, so what's yours?